Alright, so here in step number 4, we're going to connect our exchange using the API keys to connect our 3Commas platform to our exchange. And we're going to use Bybit because it has free trading fees on spot market, and we like low trading fees so we can make more profit. That's the point of it. That's why we use Bybit as an example, but we have the API set up for Kraken and Binance as well if you need them, and we might expand that. So let's quickly log into our Bybit account. And if you haven't set up a Bybit account yet, this process will take you only 10 minutes. And the reason for 10 minutes is because you need to do your verification. Because verification is very, very important of your exchange accounts. That's why before we continue, we're just going to go to account and security. Once you're here in account and security, there are 2 very important steps you need to do before you deposit anything, before you create any APIs. These are very important steps because if something goes wrong with your account or you lose your Google Authenticator, which is one of the steps, you at least are verified and you're able to get back your funds or whatever. So make sure your account gets verified level 2. The only thing you need is going to need is your billing and your passport. It will make a facial scan. That will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. And then here you will need to set up your Google Authenticator, which is very, very important. Do that with everything you do with crypto because that basically cancels out any hacking. All right. Once you set that up, we're going to go to API. So once you're here in APIs, you're going to click on Connect Third-Party Applications, and that's going to bring up automatically. You drop down the menu 3Commas here, which is good. Then in Read and Write, check all applications that apply, orders, options, and trade. Do not click account transfers and sub-account transfers, because in this way we create an API key that is not allowed to access our funds, only to make trades, only to create new positions, new orders, and new trades, and that's all we need for the trading bot, and that makes it a safe way to connect to our 3Commas software. Once that is checked, I'm going to go to Submit here in the right corner, and then you have to fill in your Google Authenticator. Then it will bring up your key successfully added, the name 3Commas, your public API key, your secret key, which you should never share. We do it now here for this example, but you should never share it with anybody, which is very important. You're going to copy paste both of those, and then you're going to go log into your 3Commas account. When you're in the 3Commas account, you're going to click on the left corner on the lock icon, and then it says here connect new exchange. You're gonna drop down the menu and you're gonna click on Bybit here. You're gonna give your exchange a name. I'm gonna call this one Bybit 123. Then the public key needs to be copy paste here. Then here your secret key, which you should never share. Once again, never share that with anybody. And just basically click connect. Then it brings you back to the home screen, if that is correct. I'm going to click on the lock icon again. And if we scroll down, you can see here that our Bybit exchange here is connected, the 3rd of February. And then here you can refresh it, you can edit it, delete it, and view it. And it gives you some statistics of the newly created API key. And this is basically what we need to have to set up our first bot. That's going to be in the next couple of steps. All right, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.